Welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're all doing well. So my first colour is Atelier Pale Gold, and my canvas is a 12-inch by 16-inch, which is 30 centimetres by 40 centimetres. And I'm going for something quite minimal and quite abstract today. This one is TLP Hustle. TLP pigments can be bought from fluid-art.co, and this one is Turquoise by Atelier. I think it's Turquoise Light, I think it's called. I'll have to double check and I'll put it in the description box below. And this one is actually my cell activator, Atelier Rich Gold. I put it down too soon and then I decided to put some boom gel on top of it, and that is Lily Peely Pink. So as you know, the cell activator goes on the very top, so that will just be a layer of gold, and it does actually show quite nicely. And this is Titanium White, my cell activator, which is Atelier. Approximately 2 parts of Floetrol, Australian Floetrol, to the 1 part of paint. And this is Atelier Copper, mix the same. No silicone, just the Australian Floetrol. 2 to 1, the same as the white. Okay, then I'll let you carry on watching. No embellishing or anything today, just this minimal abstract blowout. And see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Met your friend the other day. Heard you've been trying to reach me. Good luck with that. I threw my phone into the pool. There's no reason for your feelings. You knew the rules. You better run for your life and sleep with one eye open. How do I feel? I feel fine, knowing that you don't. I'm done with second chances. Ask all you want. I got no new answers. How do I feel? I feel fine. You better run for your life. It's over. It's over. Let's not waste our time. Remember, it's over. We've been through this before, over and over. Let's not waste our time. Remember, it's over. It's over. Doesn't really matter what you say. You're not doing yourself any favors. Simple observations of a tired out complaint. I get in my own way. 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 Amplifier washes glass up in the sand, panning through the static for the sound.